The beauty of marine ecosystem is found in its vast biodiversity, from massive whales to microscopic plankton, and the stunning visual spectacle of vibrant coral reef. This beauty is not just aesthetic, it is deeply functional as the ocean provides essential services like regulating climate, producing oxygen, and supporting economics through fisheries and tourism.
Marine ecosystem include these factors leads to habitat reduction loss of biodiversity, food web destruction, and the decline of marine life.
In easy ways you can contribute. Ocean comprise over 70% of the Earth's surface and play an essential role in the reality of life on our planet. They regulate weather, manufacture oxygen, and serve food to billions.
Comprise over 70% of the Earth's surface and play an essential role in the viability of life on our planet. They regulate weather, manufacture oxygen, and serve of food of billions. Currently, ocean face a very alarming crisis linked to marine pollution, fish species over-exploitation, and habit destruction. Since the ocean affects us all, ocean conversation requires everybody to act. Fortunately, with small change to our daily habits, we can significantly improve the health of our ocean. 10 easy action you can understand and practice to help keep ocean safer.
Steps of the ocean conservation. No single person can save the ocean, but also small action can immensely. Making informed choices or adopting sustainability habits is something we can all do to reduce ocean pollution and help protect marine life. Here are 10 particles ocean pollution solutions to guide you toward ocean conservation.
Using plastic usage. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest threats to marine animals. Every year, approximately 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean. Fruit is violent, the dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the ocean every minute, harming all creatures from sea turtles and fish and birds. Switching the reusable bottles and straw is a simple yet impactful change that can help reduce the amount of plastic contributing to this crisis. Take a cue from communities worldwide that have banned single-use plastic. Their beaches are clean and their marine ecosystems are healthier.
And participate in beach cleanups. Beach cleanups are an active way to help your ocean. Events are part of removing trash from the environment and raising awareness about marine pollution. Join local events or run events yourself. A real-life example is the International Coastal Cleanup Day held annually on the third Saturday of September. It engages millions of volunteers worldwide, removing thousands of tons of debris and saving countless animals that would have been caught, hurt, or even poisoned by the trash in any given year.
Sustainable seafood. Overfishing can be considered one of the significant causes of ocean pollution. Fourth, conserve water. Excessive water usage can contribute to waterways discourage which often resist pollution like chemical natural antifreeze that harm marine ecosystem when untreated or in quality threat. 5. Coast ocean-friendly products. Many of the everyday product used are a danger of the marine environment.
6. Reduce carbon footprint. Climate change enhanced ocean threats, including coral bleaching and sea level rise. To safeguard the ocean, lessen your carbon footprint. Spread awareness. Educating other people about ocean conservation encourages them to take action. Number 8. Support ocean conservation organization. Non-governmental organization dedicated to ocean conservation rely on your support. For instance, the Ocean Research Institution leads groundbreaking research and education program. Waste disposal. Proper waste management is crucial in preventing plastic and other harmful materials like batteries and chemicals from entering the ocean. For policy changes, support policies that protect ocean, whether it be establishing marine protecting areas, stronger regulations against overfishing, or banning single-use plastics. Your voice counts.
Difference. You can contribute significantly to marine conservation by reducing plastic, saving water, ensuring sustainable seafood, and participating in ocean-field research activities. Plastic pollution in the ocean is among the challenges we face together. Working towards a healthier future for the planet means all take the responsibility of our action.
Ocean doesn't need our praise. It needs our hands. A single tide can turn a beach. Faith, a single choice can turn the oceans today. You leave this room not as listeners, but as the tide reverses its decline.
This is Gopwan. That's all. Thank you.